Important message on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. There are so many reasons to quit smoking. Tobacco use can cause over 20 different types of cancer. Tobacco harms almost every organ of the body. Tobacco use, particularly smoking, takes your breath away and can cause COPD. Threatens the health of your loved ones, not just you. There are so many reasons to quit smoking, but now there is one more additional and important reason. COVID-19. Smokers have a greater risk of developing a severe case from COVID-19. Today, take immediate steps to quit smoking. There are a few quick tips for quit smoking. Number 1. Delay. Delay as long as you can before giving in to your urge. Number 2. Deep breathing. Take 10 deep breaths to relax yourself from within until the urge passes. Number 3. Drink water. Drinking water is a healthy alternative to sticking a cigarette in your mouth. Number 4. Do something else to distract yourself. Take a shower, read, go for a walk, listen to music. Number 5. Consult your doctor. Quit smoking for better future and loved ones.